Bundys Garage, Bundy here. Hey, I'm with Chris Nosalik with Electron Automotive in, what is this, Orange, right?
Yep.
Orange,
California.
Orange, California. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. I know you have a busy schedule today and just want to sit down with you. Chris had done a video with Chris Fix, right?
Yeah.
I saw Chris Fix's video where he places the battery on a Prius.
Yep.
And,
Second generation, 2004, 2009.
Yeah, so I had seen that video, and I'm actually in Riverside, which is 30 minutes from here. Approached Chris and asked him if we could, collaborate on a video together, and he said, "Yeah, sure, why not? Let's do it." Are you familiar with Tesla's 18650s?
Yes.
Do you like them? You think it's a good battery?
I mean, I'm generally familiar. I'm not super familiar on like the molecular level. 18650 refers to the dimensions of the battery and the chemistry, being lithium based, whether it's lithium ion, lithium polymer, lithium iron, all the different types.
What kind of batteries are in these?
These are primarily nickel based.
They're nickel based.
They have some options. The plug-in options are lithium based because you can get more energy in less space for longer range.
On a lithium?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
But these ones are nickel based, nickel metal hydride. They're more bulkier, they're older technology, but they're cheaper. So Tesla's 18650s are batteries, roughly the size of your thumb.
Yeah, like a AA on steroids.
Yeah, exactly. And they're constantly making changes with different chemistries, different electrolytes, and the battery keeps improving. The first Tesla that came out, the Roadster, I think they've improved the capacity somewhere around 40% and in the same exact size. So if you buy a Tesla Roadster battery now from Tesla, you get much more range than the original brand new one. So constantly making improvements, and that's the way that we need to go.
So is the lithium ion better than the nickel battery?
Yes. In almost all ways, probably the best advantage of the nickel that nickel has over lithium is cost of production. But that's changing.
Is there one that'll take more charges over its lifetime than the other?
Yeah, it all varies by the chemistry. There are some nickel batteries. We've gotten a lot from China for testing that are very similar chemistry to these ones. They just don't last long. Their cycles, life cycles are significantly less than factory. So there's always a quality issue.
And that has to do with the chemistry of the battery.
Absolutely. Lithium has the advantage of much more energy in a smaller space, lighter space.
And that's in most of our cell phones.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Have you seen those guys on YouTube where they're taking old classic cars, say like a Mustang or an old classic truck, and basically stripping the Tesla or whatever, some electric vehicle, and then modifying it to fit into that old classic car? Have you seen them do that at all?